Okay, so that's some of our first riffs there. We're gonna have 2 and 1 on the G string, and then open to 2 on the D string. So 1 open on the D string. I go to first finger here because I'm going to do this second guitar part with the first guitar part. So there's one guitar at the end of this going. So the 2 5s on the bottom doing a slide down, but you can put it all together into one thing. Okay, so I'm kind of giving some vibrato on the 1, the 2, not so much there because it's open. And I got to move up, get that 3 in those 5s. Okay, let's try that. 3, 4. So after you do that last one, you go A, octave of the A, second fret of the G string. So then we go O2 on the G, 4 3 on the D. We're gonna go to the 3 on the second string after that 4 3. So it's and then 3 2 on the D to open G and let it ring. So there's one guitar that's just going da dee da da dee da do, and it just lets that ring do do dee do do. Just does that one note. Listen for that. Now the other one is going to do all the other notes of the riff. It isn't able to hold that note as long, of course, because it's got to get back to that too. So we got 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we got open, open 2, O2, 4 3 3, 3 2 open, and then it starts again. Okay, so the way I drew this up on the tab was 2 times through this is going to be 1 time. It's going to be 3 times total of that, and then we have a little extra piece at the end before we get to the new riff. So this is going to be 1 time through, 3 and 4 and. So I'm calling that 1 time. Okay, so we're going to do the second time here, 3 and 4 and. Here's the third time. And then we just have, and we're right into that. Okay, so this last one is. Just the 2 1 O2, and we're right back to the. Okay, so it ends up going. Okay, so it does 3 more sets of that, and then you have this little added bit. And then we're into that riff proper. Okay, so we're going to do that 4 times through. This is what I'm calling the A riff. This 2 1 O2 1 0 3 5. Okay, 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we have a keyboard thing for like 8 bars. It's going to set up this thing. We're going to come in on the 2 beat. So 1. And 1, 2. So we come in on the 2. So we're going to go 1, 2. One, 2. Okay, so we have an A, and then we have 4 5 7 on the A string, and then 4 6 7 on the D, and then 6 7 9 on the G, and then 7 9 10 on the B. So we come in on the second beat. So 1, 2. And 1, 2. Okay, so that riff goes 4 times, then we have another kind of a break, then we come back with the 2-1-0-2 thing. 3, 4. Go straight back into that. So after that long wait, we just come back with a right back into the kind of the verse riff. And it does its 3 sets of those, so it's really kind of like 6 times of that riff. Okay, then we're gonna come into we're back into 4 more of those. We have a pause again for the keyboards, and we have the 1, 2. And do that a couple times. 1. Now in this third one, we're going to start these killer Jimmy Page fills. We got. Okay, so he's got a great delay on this, so he had to work this out where the delay sounds just right over these chords and everything. So we're going to have. So we have little 17 with the pinky, and I'm going to take that ring finger, 17 on the second string, go up and down. So we do that 3 times, and then we're going to go. So that's G string, 16 up and down to the 14. Okay, then our next one is going to go, we're going to wait for the. We got. So downwards bends on the 16 to the 14 twice. And then bend it up. Okay, that's that one. Then the next one's going to go. Okay, so we had a 9 bend to the 9 to the 7. 7 to 2 slide. Back up to the 7. Up and down bend on that 7 on the A string. Okay, then we're going to have bend the 4 in the G string. 4 to 2. And then same thing with 9 and 7. And then here on the 12, we're going to go up and down to the 11. And then 16 up here. And we're going to bend that 16 and hold it. So it's. Okay, the next one starts a little later. It's going to go. So it doesn't get to do the riff on the 16, just the bend. Now the next one is like the earlier one. Okay, then we're going to have. So we have a bend on the 17 second. 17, 15, little 17, and then. So bend the 17 on the second. 17, 15, and then 16 to 14. 16 was on the G. So. And then we're going to have. Okay, this one sounds great with the delay. So kind of a staccato on this bend on the 9. So after we do that, we have 7 and 8, and then 9 on the G, and then 7, 8, 10, little 7, back to the 10, and on that 9 on the bottom. So we're going to have a downwards bend on the 16 to the 14, 17 on the second, up and down, 16 on the D, 14, 16 bend to 14, and then we got. This one's kind of a bent up, down, kind of pick them both. So we had a 14, 15, 17, 14, 15, 16 on the G to the 14, and then you wait just a second and go 14, 16, 13, 14. So. Then we're going to have bend the 16 into the 14. So we had the second string, 17, up, and then 17 to 15, little 17, and then that's that 16 on the D, little 14, 16, 14, and then, okay, in the light, one more time we got. Okay, we got stuff like that. We got 1. right, In the Light, Physical Graffiti, Led Zeppelin. Talk to you soon.